What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Means, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? Got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. Got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people with my face and name on their pages. So please, beware. Please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you're doing legit business, what you getting what you pay for, and you're not getting scammed, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So good morning, everybody out there. What's today? Good morning, it's Wednesday, and we're going to get the day started right. We're going to get the gym started good. We're going to get the money going, flowing, and going and get it right. Yay! So today I'm going to be talking about AUs and trade lines, because there's a lot of people out there that don't know what those are. There's a lot of people are stuck in the dark, not understanding that you can literally build your credit in as little as 5 days, 7 days, if you know what you're doing. All right. So when I tell you guys, knowledge is power. Knowledge is always power, because as long as you have the knowledge about something, you have the power, and the power will be that you know have the knowledge to be able to do whatever you need to do, whatever you have the knowledge with. All right. So if you got the knowledge to clean credit, you're gonna be able to clean and build credit. If you got the knowledge to rap, you're gonna be able to be a rapper. If you got the knowledge to be able to build a home, you're gonna be able to build a home. Like, as long as you got the knowledge for anything that you want to do out there, you're gonna be able to do it. That's why anything that you purchase in life comes with instructions, so you could be able to do it in at a great speed and have it done correctly. All right. So it's people. This is a great credit hack. It's people out there who have bad credit. It's people out there that want to elevate their life. It's people out there that want to get loans, credit cards, or lines of credit, but their credit is bad. Now, it's a way to clean your credit for free, but in real life, it takes a little money to build your credit. Point blank period. If you're going to be adding trade lines yourself or buying trade lines or AUs, and a lot of people don't know what the difference is. So it's trade lines and it's AUs, authorized users. Trade lines are basically any open account that you have that you're paying on. So if you have a loan out for $10,000, that's a trade line. If you got a mortgage loan out, that's a trade line. You got an auto loan out, that's a trade line. You got a credit card, that's a trade line. Any open account that you're paying on, that you're paying off, right? So you can get trade lines from going to finance. Anything that you can finance is a trade line, basically. So you can finance furniture, you can finance TVs, you can finance gaming systems, you can finance almost literally anything that you want to finance in life. So those are trade lines. AU accounts are authorized user accounts. Authorized user accounts are accounts that you can piggyback off of and get the same amount of credit limit that they have on their credit. So let's say you go buy an AU account that has $50,000 in credit limit on their credit card, or that credit limit, or that credit account. By you buying that AU account, now you have $50,000 in a credit limit. You're not going to get the credit card, but you're going to be qualified for $50,000 in credit limit. So what you do is you go apply for cards or loans or lines of credit worth that much. And it all goes up on, and it's all about when you add the trade line, when you add the AU, because a lot of people don't pay attention to the post dates and things like that. So if you don't pay attention to the post dates, and you can be waiting a real long time to get your AU added to your credit profile. There's a lot of different things you need to pay attention to: reporting period, the purchase deadline, the date opened. All right, and the credit limit. So the credit limit will tell you this is the credit limit on this credit account. So if you got a $33,000 Capital One Bank credit card, you have a $3,000 credit limit. If you got a $10,000 Capital One credit limit, it's different limits that you can have. All right, it's the AU account. So once you buy those accounts, you are now qualified to have the exact same amount. You're not going to get the card that you buy, but you're going to be qualified for that amount. It's going to reflect on your credit, all right? So it's different things you pay attention to. You got the credit limit, the date it was open. So the date it was open will allow you to know how aged this account is. The purchase deadline, that's when that's when the deadline cuts off to buy that account. And then the reporting period, it could be from, so that's when it's going to report to the credit. So it's going to be a week span. So if it's the 21st through the 28th, you want to make sure you get that reported 3 to 5 days before the 21st, right? So let's say you might want to do it the 15th or the 16th. So by the 21st, it could be on your credit and can report, and you can boost it like that. It's a cheat code. You want to add these trade lines and AU accounts close to the closest period of time. The closest period of time to when it's going to report, so you can hurry up and have it report to your credit profile, and you can hurry up and start getting points, and you can hurry up and start getting funding for these credit cards and things like that. A lot of people don't pay attention to these things, and they just add trade lines and AUs, and then they don't see any results because they added it at the wrong time. They didn't know what they were doing, and they just heard somebody talking about trade lines and AUs, and they did it, and it messed up their credit, because these can mess up your credit also. You have to add them on time. You have to do it correctly. So if you go on Trade Line Supply, and they got them a $40,000, let me see. They got $20,000, $6,000, $10,000, but they got some high ones. So let's say you get you a, let me see. They got a $25,500 Bank of America credit limit card right here, open February 22nd. The reporting date, the deadline is April 10th. The reporting date is the 21st to the 28th. So you gotta get it between the you gotta buy it by the April 10th. And it's gonna be reported. So if I was you, I'd buy April 9th so it could be reported and start generating on your credit. Now, people, trade lines and AUs will help you boost your credit. Now, when I be telling you guys about these credit rent boosts, these Credit Strong, all these different credit places, Incredible, Self, Ava, all these places are trade lines. Those are trade lines that you can add to your credit report. Trade Line Supply, what's another one of my personaltradelines.com. Those are AU sites where you can buy AU accounts. Having a mixture of trade lines and AUs on your credit report is great, because now you're going to be able to get major funding that you never thought you would be able to get. All right. So when you're going to look to build your credit, first thing you want to do, you don't want to just go adding trade lines and AU accounts. You want to clean your credit. You want to make sure your credit is all right, in a good standard. So you want to go get your credit report, go on Experian, FICO 10. Them Credit Strongs and them free. Don't do that. Go Experian, see what your 3 credit scores is across the board, your 3 FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Make sure all the information is up to date, so your name, address, number, email, all that good stuff like that. Then you're going to see the collections that you have on your credit. Any collection that's 7 years or older, it will be the easiest one to get off, because those are classified as expired accounts. So once you dispute those will be the main ones coming off first. And like I told you, before you dispute anything, make sure you go freeze your credit reports, all 3 of your FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you freeze them, then you go dispute those collection accounts. Any account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. It takes up to 15 business days to start seeing drop-offs off your credit report. Once you start cleaning up your credit, then you want to go add those trade lines, and you want to add those AU accounts to your credit so you can start getting a credit boost. This could take 30 days to do, 45 days to do. It could take a little of no time, and you can start getting major funding in no time. So if you get your account that got $30,000 of funding, an AU account, and you got Tradelines, it's a good chance that, and you let it marinate, it's a good chance that you can start getting the same funding, same credit card limit, same all that. You just got to do it the right way. All right, so this is the credit hack for the day, man. You want to get you a high limit credit card, a high limit, you want to get your credit score up, boosted up. Tradelines and authorized users, I guarantee you, if you add them at the right time, you add the right accounts, you can get almost $20,000-$30,000 in credit limit within 5 in a week. Just as long as you pay attention to them dates, just as long as you pay attention to the statement date, the limit, and the posting date, you'll be a-okay. All right, so this was the video, man. Credit hack. Make sure y'all go get y'all trade lines. Make sure y'all get your AUs. Make sure y'all add them at the right time, because you can jump your credit from zero, no credit, to get major funding within a week. All right, so make sure you pay attention to what I'm saying. You need any help, make sure you're tapping in with me. Make sure you come to get these gems. Unlimited gems is $500 for a couple more days until Sunday. So make sure you're tapping in. Prices will be going back to regular prices. So make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all unlimited gems. Make sure y'all tapping in with the production company. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, cameraman, producers, content creators. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews will be $200. So if you want me to check you out, you want to sign to the record label, the production company, and you think you feel like you're a good artist and you got some talent, tap in with me. Music reviews is $200. You're not going to be able to go any other record label or any other A&R and say, hey, sign me, I'm the best thing, I'm the hottest rapper out, we need to do business together. Y'all need to cut that out. That's not how you do business. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200, you're not comfortable spending $200 on yourself, investing into yourself, don't send me your music, point blank period. This is business, not personal. All right, models, any model out there in the world, it could be anywhere, but as long as you got a good head on your shoulders, you ready to elevate, you ready to work, you ready to put in that good time and effort to elevate yourself and really become something in life, tap in. I don't got time for women with bad attitudes. I don't got time for women who think they're doing more than what they're really doing in life, because if you were doing something in life, you wouldn't even be paying attention to me. You'd be handling your business. There's a lot of women out there to take these half-naked pictures and post them on Instagram and Facebook and don't make no money by taking these half-naked model pictures and putting makeup on and none of that. It's a lot of women that shake their hiney on social media platforms all day, every day, and don't make no money for it. It's a lot of women that think they so expensive, but they ain't even got the money that they want. Make it make sense. If you was doing something spectacular in life, you wouldn't be in the position that you in. If you had all these dudes that was doing something for you, you wouldn't be in the position that you was in. If you was so top notch, you wouldn't be in the position that you in. So please, ladies, please have a good head on your shoulders. Please understand that this is business. This is real life. It's cool to think you're something, but in real life, you're really not. So please have a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. And that's a lot of problem out there. There's a lot of issues out there with a lot of women nowadays. They think they're at a high level when they're really down here. If you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Have a good head on your shoulders. Have a good attitude. Be ready to work. Be willing to learn something new, because I know a little about a lot. So let's make it make sense. Self-made over here. Also, I'm looking for doing mentorships, $1,500. You want to get under my wing. You want me to teach you how to make this money. You want to be successful. Mentorships for $1,500. All right, don't miss out on that. Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state if I got to come to you. All right, so $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. This is business. This is not personal. A lot of people out there in the world play a lot of games, and that's why they don't succeed in life. That's why they don't get too far. Everything that I do is all business. All my YouTube videos is a free sauce, but once you DM me on my IG or any other platform, be ready to handle business. Please, when you DM me, please tell me what you want, how much it is, and your payment option. Cash App or Walmart to Walmart. If your payment not on your Cash App balance, don't write me until it is. Listen. Of course, I don't respond to everybody, because everybody is not about business. I am about business. You're not looking to write me to handle business, don't write me or I won't respond to you. And don't get mad when you don't get what you want. There's a lot of people out there that he and ha in my inbox, and then when I get serious with them, then they play the victim. I don't have time for that. This is business. I have too much going on, too much business going on, and too many people that I'm helping to be playing with people who are not serious in life. All right, so before y'all contact me, please have y'all money together. Please have that he ha out the door, because we millionaires over here. I don't like saying that, but I'm a millionaire. I didn't made $10,000 100 times self-made, and now I'm working on investing and making multi-millions. So I don't have time to be playing with people he and ha ha. If you don't see me post it, don't ask for it. All right, this is serious business. So shout out to all my real fans, subscribers, all my real King Hussle new subscribers and all y'all. Because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all, man, because y'all really be saving me from quitting talking and giving lessons. So shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on all my YouTube channels. Make sure y'all follow me on my IGs. Go run the followers up, and let's get to this money, man. We back in action, dropping videos, dropping content on all the channels. So let's get this money. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Good morning. Peace.